Hello, my name is Nathan Starkel, and this video will showcase the implementation that Connor and I created for programming assignment 3. So the first question, we were tasked with taking a lengthened message, at least 80 characters, and splitting it into two distinct packets. So as you can see, we lengthened the message down here to the Boston Celtics are the greatest basketball team franchise in the history of the NBA, which is 88 characters specifically. And then as you can see, once we run our simulation 1, as the network closes, you'll be able to see that the message is being split into two distinct packets. The Boston Celtics are the greatest basketball, and then the double L from basketball, team franchise in the history of the NBA. This showcases that the message was split into two packets and then successfully closed. So that takes care of problem 1. And then in simulation 2, as we handle segmentation, you can see that we lowered our link latency down to 30. And we still have the same 88 character message as we did for part 1. And once I run simulation 2, you can see that the message is split into various chunks and then passed to the various interfaces, and it's transmitted in the specific packets that are 30 characters long. So the Boston Celtics are the greatest basketball team franchise in the history of the NBA. So as you can see, it kind of chunks it out, and then once it's all been received at host 2, host 2 then takes what's in its buffer and it reconstructs the message and then displays it out to the user saying that it was received and the Boston Celtics are the greatest basketball team franchise in the history of the NBA. And then the network successfully closes. So that takes care of problem 2. Now problem 3, being the routing problem, we'll go ahead and run this. And as you can see, the network successfully closed, and we can see that host 3 and host 4 received the packets from host 1 and host 2. So this showcases that host 1 and host 2 can both send, or host 1 can send messages to host 3, whereas host 2 can send messages to host 4. As we can see here, link router C interface 0 to router D interface 1, transmitting the packet from host 2. So as we can see here, the router C has host 2's packet, which showcases that we are successfully routing host 2's traffic through router C. And then up here, we can see that link router B interface 0 to router D interface 0 is currently transmitting host 1's packet. So as we can see, router B is routing host 1's traffic to D. So we have successfully managed to route the traffic as prescribed in the problem. Thanks for watching.